Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hydroponic systems that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Miracle-Gro DWC Hydroponic System Growing Kit. One of the best budget hydroponic options is the Miracle-Gro DWC Hydroponic System Growing Kit. It features a reliable air stone that fully oxygenates the water, a powerful air pump, rock wool, and 6 plant growing sites placed in a polypropylene container. Its precise dimensions are 16 by 10.8 inches. 40.65 x 27.43 centimeters, with each hole 5.5 inches, 14 centimeters deep, and 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters, in diameter. This is considered a medium size and is ideal for beginners and school projects. The system does not come with a nutrient mix. Moving on at number 4, we have the Back to the Roots Water Garden and Self-Cleaning Fish Tank. More expensive but packing more features is the Back to the Roots Water Garden and Self-Cleaning Fish Tank that grows food. The process is simple. The fish produces nutrient-rich waste, while the plants clean the water by taking the nutrients from the waste. The clean water is then brought back to the fish. To get you started, you'll get a package of organic microgreen seeds and some fish food. The included D-chlor solution removes chlorine from the water, while Zimbac facilitates nutrient cycling and maintains healthy ammonia and nitrite levels for the fish. Grow stones are included in the kit as the ideal growing medium for your plants. The entire kit's dimensions are 13.4 by 13.4 by 9.5 inches, 34 by 34 by 24.13 centimeters, and it includes 5 plant pots. At number 3, we have the GrowLED Height Adjustable 10-Pod Indoor Garden Germination Kit. The main advantage of the LED-based height-adjustable indoor gardening system by GrowLED is that you don't have to depend on natural light for the photosynthesis in periods of long winter nights and cloudy days. Its second advantage is that you can adjust its height, allowing your plants to grow bigger. The light balance is ensured by the automatic smart timer, preset for 16 hours on and 8 hours off. This hydroponic system also features a visible water level indicator that tells you when and how much to water your plants. The smart self-watering feature reduces the watering schedule to weeks instead of days. Also, the 10 smart soil pods are pre-filled with nutrients, so there's no need to buy additional liquid plant food. It doesn't take up much space either, with dimensions of only 19.2 x 8 by 5.2 inches. 48.77 by 20.32 x 13.21 centimeters. At number 2, we have the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. The Smart Garden 9 by Click and Grow features several advanced features that make it stand out, such as the automated system that takes care of all your gardening needs. The system keeps the soil pH balanced, provides enough breathing room for the plants, and ensures the perfect balance of nutrients, water, and air. Along with the self-watering tank and water level indicator, the kit includes 9 LED grow lights with a built-in timer. To get you started immediately, your package will arrive with 3 mini tomato, 3 basil, and 3 green lettuce pods. The system's dimensions are 23.8 by 7.3 by 15.8 inches, 60.45 by 18.54 by 40.13 centimeters. And finally at number 1, we have the Miracle-Gro 12 Indoor Growing System and Side Table with LED Grow Light. One of the most comprehensive hydroponic systems, Miracle-Gro 12 provides the perfect conditions for a wide array of plants, such as kale, cilantro, and petunias the whole year. The system is very simple. Just plant your leafy greens and/or herbs and feed them when the app reminds you. Miracle-Gro 12 will take care of everything else, all the while serving as a stylish and stackable side table. Its water-based growing system directs nutrients straight to the roots and, thanks to its app, you can monitor water levels, Control the LED lighting, set a growing schedule, and receive important notifications. The package includes 1 transplanting kit, 2 packets of plant nutrition, as well as a seed starting kit. Its dimensions are the same as of a typical side table: 34.3 by 16.3 by 13.3 inches, 87.12 by 41.40 x 33.78 centimeters. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.